not a game, it's a rich thing.
See a RT Charger. Let's take a look at this Challenger. Black. This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger. Let's see how much sticker price on this. So this is a 2019 Dodge Challenger GT rear wheel drive. This is 28,200. Pitch black, clear coat, V6. So it's 2019 Dodge Challenger. Let's see if the door is open. Nope, door is locked. So we got a yellow one right here. Cloth seats. This is a Shaker. 2017 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker. 28,375. Bumblebee. And then there was a Charger RT thing. So somebody traded this in because it has aftermarket wheels. These look like 22s. Yep, 295, 30, 22. 295. So pretty wide tires. So this one is just like mine. This is a 2017 Dodge Charger RT. Mine is a 2018. I do not like that spoiler. See, that's the spoiler I changed on my car. I don't like that spoiler, but pretty nice car otherwise. Alright, time to go to the parts center. This is the part that I came here to replace. This is a rear valance. There's a couple of plastic clips under the bottom that you have to take off. There's a core charge for this when you get the new one. So I need to take this off and get my new one. And we'll be good to go.
Beast. Yeah. I'm buying at the bar tonight. I got a couple mixed breeds and they all gon' ride. Bet they leaving with me tonight and it's a 5-6-1 pussy nigga. Don't try to throw it up. Switch it up. Got my whole crew with me and we trippin'. We about to switch it up. Switch it up. Where all my bad bitches at tonight? Yeah, watch I pull up, stun out, silver Chevy 22s blacked out, these niggas ain't ready. 20 chicks and they throwing confetti. And my flow cutthroat, bitch, blood on machetes. And we smoking medicinal, never lace on with chemicals. In my crew, I'm the general. Watch I step on the pedestal, throwing out my residuals. And this club is a festival, and these hundreds got several. While your pockets on medical, huh? Thick bitch, and she bounce on my genitals. And my swagger hot shit, J's darker than minerals. Girl, your nigga's a bitch, and he going through menopause. Said she want a quick lick, round the clip, then she take it all, huh? Stacking money to the ceiling, living life as a villain. And my motives are despicably driven. And your girl interested, cause she love my ambition. She give me head from the back, what a wonderful feeling, huh? I'm buying at the bar tonight. I got a couple mixed breeds and they all gon' ride. Bet they leaving with me tonight and it's a 5-6-1 pussy nigga. Don't try to throw it up. Switch it up. Got my whole crew with me and we trippin'. We about to switch it up. Switch it up. Where all my bad bitches at tonight? The bar tonight, I got a couple mixed breeds and they all gon' ride. Bet they leaving with me tonight and it's a 5-6-1 pussy nigga. Don't try to throw it up. Switch it up. Got my whole crew with me and we trippin'. We about to switch it up. Switch it up. Where all my bad bitches at tonight?
All right, guys, so I just left the park center at Arrigo Dodge. I got my new Valance cover right here, and I'll install it shortly.
Last year I played it close. This year I did the most. I went hard in the post. Now I'm just waiting for the toast. For the toast. Young nigga made a toast. And I did it off a boat. Last year I checked my gross. And I made more than most. Now that's a profit off the float. G code what I live by. Straight banging on the west side. Man, I'm glad I got my head right, cause I gotta fight every day just to survive. Got me bound like a zip tie, so I gotta push and work harder than most while they slow like a boat. They try to keep it afloat, but they know that they broke. Their revenue was a joke, and the only way I know is cause I used to be like that. Little nigga, yeah, I used to be broke. Be broke, and I used to be low. Be low, thought I never would grow. Would grow, but now I'm better than I was before. Before, 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 I'm better than I was before. Before, I'm better than I was before. Oh, if you struggle in the beach, you get nothing but defeats. I'm making money off a dream. Now I'm riding to the seats. They say I needed faith, so a nigga took a leap, ballin' with my team, and we live in VIP. Bad bitches on the scene, and I cuff them with my leash. I'm a dog, I give her deep. So I'm swagging with the lace tops. Got them watching like I'm Baywatch, and it never stops. Everything I gotta re-rock. So clean like I'm thriving off a detox. And I tax them, only good for the fashion. They never had the passion, somebody must have gassed them. Preaching like a pastor, the truth don't even matter. They living like ambassadors, stepping in my zapatos. Yeah, I used to be broke, and I used to be low. Be low, thought I never would grow, but now I'm better than I was before. Before, I'm better than I was.
All right, guys, so there you have it. I have just installed my new rear valance cover. It was very quick and easy to install, but a little bit more difficult to remove the old one. But I'm happy